Hi, y'all, and welcome back to Mrs.B's Simple Cooking. Today, we're going to learn how to make fish, tilapia. And I wanted to show you, it comes in little pre-packages like this, individually. You can just take them out 10 minutes prior to cooking them if you would like. What you will need is some all-purpose flour, okay? And you just need about maybe a cup of it. And I'm going to mix. You don't have to. It's optional as long as you have flour or cornmeal. But I'm going to use buttermilk flour as well just to give it a buttery taste. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just add my powder to the bowl. And then I'm going to go ahead and get some of the buttermilk. Just dump it in there. I do 2 scoops. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Just like this. Now, a lot of people don't like fish, my mother included, but my dad likes it. All right, so mom, when you're making it, you're using the same stuff that you would make fried chicken with, basically. All right, everybody knows how to make fried chicken just about. If not, watch my videos. And then I'm going to do some pepper. You can do any kind of pepper. I like the cracked peppercorn. And then some salt. I like the pink Himalaya salt. Can't say it. All right. Let's see here. So I have that. I'm going to mix that a little bit more. And then I like seasoning salt. So I'm going to go ahead and use my seasoning salt and my nature seasoning that my husband likes. I'm just going to do a little bit of it, okay? I'm trying not to have it smell like fish in the house. And I experimented the other day with this and no fish smell. So with the Morton nature seasoning, okay? You can find it at Walmart, Kroger's, Food City, wherever you shop at. I know different cities have different stores. All right. Or basically, if you're making like fried chicken, it'd be the same. So whatever you like to do with it, experiment. You can't go wrong. I'm going to go ahead and take my egg, crack it into my bowl. I'm going to do 2 eggs. That way, the breading will stick to the fish. Okay? All right. So, take your fish, and you can either mix it up prior or mix it up with when your hand's in here dipping it. I'll go ahead and mix it up now and make it easier. Just like that. Okay? Fish is not that complicated. I was scared to make it for many years. I just realized it's not that hard. Okay? I'm going to dip that in there like so. Get it all nice and moist. And I'm going to dip it into my flour. And make sure you coat it good. And then you're going to get a plate. Yeah, Pioneer Woman plate. And I'm going to go ahead and put it in there. Like so. Until the grease is ready. And heat it up. Alright, so I'm going to go get another one. Do the same thing. Dip it into the egg. Like so. It's always good to have one wet hand and one dry hand. Poof. Okay. Lay it on the plate. And one more to go. Dip. See, this hand's still pretty good. And dip it into the flour. Oh, I know what this is going to taste like. It is worth trying. All right. Right in here. And wash your hands. Give me 1 second. Make sure you get around your thumbs and your wrists and your pinky when you're washing your hands. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and heat up my skillet, and nothing sticks to Pepper Chef, just saying. All right. And I want to get back to telling you something about chefs and cooks. Now, for the grease, I don't want my food greasy, so I just put a little bit of grease in the pan. Okay, I'm going to let that heat up. I have it on almost medium, not all the way. But while we're waiting for it to heat up, let's see what I want to tell you. Oh, if you like soul food, okay, I came across Grandma, and I hope I say it right in case she's watching. But I grew up with a speech problem, and they gave me a Fruit Loop for every word I got right. So sorry if I don't say it right. Grandma, Dorothy's kitchen. So that's DA apostrophe THY apostrophe S. So check out her channel. I like her style. I like that lady. And just want to give her a shout out. And then from India, it is Hera's Kitchen. That's HEERA apostrophe S. Check out their videos, like and subscribe. And while you're liking and subscribing, don't forget to do it for Mrs. B. All right, we got to share the love. There's just so many good cooks out in this world that we have to share the love and the recipes. I didn't learn just from my real father growing up, but I also learned from, my mom Jamie, my dad Earl with his potato salad. I'm gonna try to get you to get some fish made there over there, Dad, when you watch this video. And then let's see here, Aunt Dixie, uh, my mother-in-law Lisa, my daughter Sarah. I mean, just a bunch of different people that has taught me different things because we talk, we communicate, and that's what we need to do. This is still heating up. I hope I didn't forget nobody. But anyway, I love you. Oh, my sister Shirley Ann. Can't forget my sister Shirley Ann. All right. And now let's talk about why we're waiting for it to heat up. I looked up some interesting facts for you guys. So you're not just making the meal, but you know what you're eating, okay? So fish has omega-3 fatty acids, which is really good for your heart, okay? And vitamins, vitamin D, B2, fish. Has calcium in it. And, if you're lactose intolerant, you don't like to drink milk because it upsets your stomach, then eat fish twice a week. They recommend fish twice a week. It's full of minerals, iron, zinc, iodine, magnesium, potassium. And you need potassium if you have kidney issues. I understand that. And then it cannot be overcooked and there's no skin. So I'll leave more information at the end of this video that you can learn more about what you're cooking. All right, you got to know what you're eating. You've got to know what you're eating these days. All right, so it is almost just the right temperature. So I'm going to go ahead and lay the fish into the pan. And you'll start to hear it sizzle. And now we're just going to let it cook. All right, everybody. They are ready to be flipped over. And they'll get a little brown around the edges, like so. You hear that sizzling? And I'm going to flip it over. There's one. Beautiful golden brown. Two. Good thing I got an apron on. Three. There it goes. Six. And I'll show you what it looks like with the golden brown color on it. Doesn't it look good for fish? All right. Just wait a few more minutes. It took about 4 minutes on one side, and I'm going to flip it over to the other side, which we just did. Give that about 4 minutes, and then I'll show you. All right, everybody. So it's done frying. While I was frying, I went ahead and just made up some rice. And that was just 2 cups of rice and let the water boil and then throw your rice in. And I used the minute rice. But I'm going to go ahead and grab my piece of fish. And I'm going to lay it on top of the rice like so. Okay. And then that's basically it. I'm going to let that cool off just a second before I show you and make my husband's plate. Okay. Wait till a man's hurts through his belly. I don't know if that's true. That's just a saying, but everybody likes to eat, right? And for myself. So, hey, I wanted to show off while I'm waiting for this to cool off my curtains that my mother-in-law made. They're just amazing. She did them with bright colors. See that? Just had to show them off. So if you like them, let me know. We thought about maybe people just sending us the yarn and she can make them for a small fee. If you're interested, just give me a little feedback on that, okay? But I love my curtains because they're one of a kind. All right. So here's the dish, fish and rice. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it. Oh, it cuts so easily. Look at that. I'm sorry if my dad's watching. My dad Earl probably wants fish, Mom. Better than the very first time I made it. This is the second time I made fish. It is so good. It's hot, but it's really good. Now, I want to tell you, there's great value. Walmart's everywhere, guys. And you get them pre-wrapped. So this is great for someone who's single, small family, and you just want to go ahead and just take them out and cook them. You can make it for lunch, you know. It didn't take very long to make it. You can find it in the frozen aisle, and probably less than $8, $9 for a bag of fish. All right. And then you got Minute Maid rice. All right. Get a big box. It lasts you a long time. And I think that's all. So please, before you go, give me a thumbs up, a like, subscribe if you haven't yet. Check out the links below. I like to share everything that I use because, you know, some people don't want to waste their money on products or food and not know if it's going to be good enough. You know, we're living in a time where you have to be tight, you know. So just keep that in mind, all right? And bye until next time. Thank you for watching. Appreciate my subscribers. Please share it.